question. What is the right behavior now? This question is asking, what should you do in this situation? Option A. I swerve to the left. Swerving to the left is not safe because a vehicle is already overtaking me on the left. Changing lanes suddenly could cause a collision. Option B. I continue to drive steadily. Continuing at the same speed is not safe. The scooter rider may pull out into my lane at any moment, leaving me with very little time to react. Option C. I brake. Braking is the safest action because the scooter rider is about to enter the road in front of me. Slowing down gives me enough time and space to avoid a collision. So, what are the correct answers? The correct answer is C. Why? Answer C is correct because the scooter rider is about to move into my lane. Braking reduces speed and gives me more time to react safely. Answer A is incorrect because a car is already overtaking me on the left. Swerving left could lead to a serious side collision. Answer B is incorrect because maintaining the same speed does not give you enough time to react if the scooter suddenly enters the roadway. Remember, never swerve into another lane without checking for overtaking traffic. If another road user may enter your lane, reduce your speed and be prepared to stop.